Hello ladies and gents, welcome to a first drive of the new Renault Twingo. We have the black color. This is the top spec. Now we are in front of the factory where Twingo has been built or born, and I've just saw how it's built. I'm gonna take it for a spin. We're sitting on 18-inch alloys. I'm gonna do quick impressions. We're in Slovenia, so this is where Twingo Clio are been born, and let's jump in. I have another colleague here. Now you can see the nice Twingo animation, a little happy car. So press brake, put it to drive, but don't forget to turn on the car. So there's the power button, you have your classical AC controls, but you already saw everything. Now, just to see what's going on here, actually there's another way to exit, so let's head out. So inside we have the 60 kilowatt electric motor. It's a front-wheel drive, 82 horsepower, powered by the, let me remember now, 37.5 kilowatt LFP battery. So we have standard AC 6.5 kilowatts, optional 11 AC charging. It's enough to charge your car overnight. And 50 kilowatts DC charger for the first time. Interesting guy. You can see, guys, you can see on my left there's some sort of prototype car. I can't figure which one it is. Now Twingo comes with the recuperation paddles, and if you kick it to full, you can activate one pedal driving. One interesting fact is the front shocks are from the R5 and the rear are from the Captur, so they're trying to make the car as much as possible comfortable, and the car is really handling nicely. Now you can engage here My Personal and disable the new ADAS feature that warns you when you're going a little bit over the speed limit, or when the speed limit changes. You can customize that in the infotainment. There are no driving modes, but there is this energy flow. I think it's pretty cool they've added here, like it looks like electricity bolts. It's pretty cool. You can see when I'm using the power and when I'm recuperating, braking. Now there's some damaged parts of the road, and I think even on this 18-inch the car is handling those imperfections pretty good. If you go for the 17-inch, it's even better, or 16, excuse me, 16-inch. Now you can change here the cockpits, and you can see the energy flow. You can have just a speedo in the middle, like a minimum, or you can see the distance. The steering is not too precise, but also not too light, like when you have in the other Renaults 3 settings. So this is just like the standard setting, which is pretty fine. It's good. So I'm not sure if we're gonna have a little bit better speed limits, but we might hear exit a little bit later outside this small cities or neighborhoods, villages. I'm not really sure what this is. Now, Twingo is supposed to be very efficient. The average VLTP is around a little bit more than 12 kilowatts per 100 kilometers, which is efficient. You can get, I think, from top of my head now, around 280-ish kilometers according to WVLTP. In reality, when it's like really nice and warm like this, and in the city, you can get definitely up to 250 kilometers, maybe in the winter, open road. Something around 150. It all depends on your driving style, of course, and the weather conditions. Now, overviewing this car is pretty good. This is a budget model starting around 20,000. This one is 21,500 if I'm not mistaken. The seats are also nice and comfy, at least for this short drive. I'm going to tell you my impressions when I actually do and get the car on test in Croatia, a little bit more serious, longer journey. Car is handling the bends nicely, speeds up nicely. Again, 82 horsepower. It's a very light car despite the battery. And the things I love about Renault, now we have a really nice and fast Google-powered infotainment system. You have a nice digital cockpit, physical AC controls, physical buttons on the steering wheel, and a really nice, efficient car. One thing I wish, and I've asked, why this doesn't have a larger battery. It's just, they've intended it as a city car. I love the design of the car, and I do like the R5 and R4, but this is my probably favorite design for these little city hatchbacks. And another thing that really I need to praise Renault for being so smart, the new ADAS feature has that speed limit trim. You can easily disable it. You just set up in my personal profile. And there's also these cameras here now for your eye monitor. They're also a little bit sometimes annoying if you have sunglasses, or if it's a really sunny day and you forgot them, and then you're trying to shut your eyes not to get blinded by the sun. These systems can freak out. They can be very sensitive in some other brands, but in my personal, you just switch that off and you have easy, fast way to disable that without going into the infotainment and through multiple steps, and because you need to switch it off each new drive. One thing I really haven't tested is the brakes, because of the one pedal driving, but I can actually disable the one pedal driving and reduce the recuperation. Okay, so the brakes are not too aggressive. It's just standard brakes. But the good thing is, with one pedal driving, you won't be using them too much, so they're going to last longer. But occasionally, it's a good idea to ease off on the recuperation and just use those brakes to avoid rust buildup. That's about it for the first impressions. Enjoy the rest of the video. Also, one important thing that I forgot to mention, 0 to 100 is in 12.1 or something like that, and top speed is limited to 130 kilometers per hour. You can do downhill maybe 135. If you're new to the channel, you can check out on my channel already an in-depth review of same trim, just a green metallic color. But when I get this on test, I'm gonna do more in-depth driving, one with no comments and one at night with my full impressions after spending a few days with the car. So nice and quiet ride. We're about to end the video here, so stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one. You can also see the backing camera here. Okay, for the very end, it doesn't have a park button. As soon as you unbuckle, it engages the electronic parking brake, or you can engage it manually, and that's it for this drive. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in the next one.